Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox and install and explain to you why I got the SmallRig cage for the DJI Osmo Action 4. It can also work on the Osmo Action 3, but we got it for the 4. Just go ahead and unbox this, put it together, and again explain why I picked this one out of all the options. Again, I don't want to damage anything, just in case I want to, or I need to, send this thing back. So it is boxed very, very well. Nothing else in the box. And there it is. Now, the cool thing about this is it has a way to open up from the front, okay? And you put the action cam in, close it, and it has a lock up here. Also, it has a code shoe right here that you can put, an external light, external microphone, what have you. And the reason why I bought this over the others is because of this. Push that button in, supposedly, there we go, and you can open from the side, and that's where the battery goes. The other ones, which I was thinking about, I think it's from Taliesin, is instead of having that little gate here on the side, it had another code shoe, but you couldn't open up the gate. So it's kind of the same situation as the little plastic protector that came with the Action 4. You would have to take it out of the protecting case, then change your batteries and put it back in. That just seems like a waste of time to me. This, push your button, open it up, then you open up the inside case, slap in the battery, put in the battery cover back on, pop this into place. You never have to take this off again. Pretty cool. Also on the side here, you can see where you can have a quick release that comes with the Action 4. And also on the bottom, the quick release. You don't lose any options by getting this case. Okay, let's go put this thing together and I'll show you what I mean. Alrighty, so here is the two cases. The case that came with it and the one I just got. So we're going to take the old one off, and that pushes through the front. And just imagine trying to do this as you're trying to change your battery. Okay. And then this, all you do is you click this orange button that pops it open. You just slide that right in. You do have to put it in straight. Then, again, you just put the back on, push it into it clicks, and that's it. As you see, you have access to the side. You have access to your quick switch. And also, if you notice, let's see if I can angle this. This is notched out. So if you wanted to have an external audio connector on this, it kind of sits right in there. Pretty cool. And again, on the bottom, you can do the quick release. In and out. On the side, quick release. In and out. None of the buttons or the vents or the microphones are covered up, which is really nice. And as I said before, push the button, opens up the side. Then all you have to do is flip this, open it up, and there you have access to your battery. So you can do a quick change and you don't even have to take the protective case off. Cool. I really like that. All right, make sure that's nice and tight. And that's it. Everything is nice and protected. I think I made a good purchase. Well, I hope that was interesting and helped you. And thank you for coming along to unbox and put together the SmallRig cage for the DJI Osmo Action 4 and 3 if you want to do it. And as always, have a great day.